Once upon a time, in a village lived a woodcutter. Woodcutter went to a timber merchant for a job, and he got it. His pay was good and working condition was also good, and because of this, Woodcutter wanted to do his best. Now, on the first day of work, his booze gave him an axe and showed him the area where Woodcutter had to work. On the first day of work, in evening, Woodcutter bought 18 trees. His boss congratulated him for his work and said, "Go on." Feeling motivated by his boss' words, Woodcutter worked harder than before, but still could bring only 16 tress. Next day, he worked even harder, but again could only bring 13 tress. Day by day, he was bringing less trees, even after trying very hard. Due to this, Woodcutter felt very sad. Woodcutter thought that he might be losing his strength, so he went to his boss and explained all and apologized, saying, "I can't understand what's going on." His boss understood the problem and asked, "When was the last time you sharpened your axe?" Woodcutter replied, "Sharpened axe? I had no time to do that as I was busy, very busy cutting trees." Moral, our lives are the same. We get so busy with everything that we don't take time to introspect ourselves. There is nothing wrong with activities and hard work, but because of this, we neglect what's more important. We all need time to relax and think and meditate, to learn and grow. If we don't take this much time for ourselves, then we will become dull and lose our effectiveness.